no hope, you know? But I don't want to believe it. I want to keep hoping that each time these catastrophes happen, we stand up and start again. I started, you know, playing, and this Auld Lang Syne, this song, you know, when it's a farewell song. But to me, it was not like a farewell song. It was more that I was an homage to all those who are gone and who were less fortunate than us. And they were caught in this big catastrophe.